Hello viewers, today we will be going to learn how to make terracotta style of bird. And you can see on the screen few birds have been made with the paper. It's very simple to make. Let us start. And for this we need to take a strip of paper and length will be 1 feet, that is 12 inches, and the breadth will be 3.5 centimeters. Now we need to crease more than half of the strip of paper and we need to join bit at the end. You can see it's coming up the formation of the bird. Armature, you take a different part of sheet and take 4 different part of this section. So for the feathers 1 and 2 and for the body form 1 and 2. So for this nothing to do, only to take an arc outline of this body form and cut it. I've already done it in the 4 pieces. Now we need to cement it on the body. Remember, make a bit of crease around half centimeters so that can be hold it on the top of this arc. Let it dry. After this, we will be going to make the mouth part, and for the mouth part, this section we need to take 10 centimeters length with 3.5 centimeters breadth of paper. After drying it, this will become like this. Now the both part is been covered, you can see here. The next step will be the feathers. Now for the feathers, you need to join this part of paper together. Now you need to take scissors and curve it as I'm showing you here. Don't worry, go ahead. Now that this will come this part of area. Now next will be the tail, and for the tail you need to take 5.5 centimeters breadth of this part of paper with 6 centimeters length. Now you need to curve now the remaining part is for the head. Now for the head it is almost dry. Now you need to give a angular cut. You can see this will come on the top. Now before putting it on the top, it is not possible for this part of end to hold it on the top of this paper. You need to give a breeze over here. Now let us see how to make a breeze. Now for the breeze, you need to take a piece of paper which can occupy this part of area. Now I have taken. Now put your finger inside, place your finger and press it. Drop it down the other part of this paper and press it. You can see you got the breeze. Now apply glue over here and just keep it on the top. Now for the beak, this part of beak, we need to take a piece of paper, nothing to do, it's almost around 2 centimeters, right? Fold it from the mid. Make it angular. Cut it. You can see the project is finished. Very simple to make. Try it and please do us comment if you want with some more different ideas. Please do share. Thank you from now and wait for a new artwork. Thank you.